I'm going to quickly go over the buttons of the Stellar Track. Starting from the top of the device on the face, on the left-hand side, you have one button that has a tactile marker on it. Right next to it's another button that's similar shape and size, but it does not have any tactile markers on. The one on the left, that's your back and your escape button. The one on the right is your go-to button. If you press it once, it will take you to your list of landmarks. If you press and hold, it's going to take you to your list of routes. Moving down right below those two buttons, you have your arrow keys and your confirm. The confirm is right in the middle of the arrows. Above the confirm key, you have your up arrow. If you long press the up arrow, you're going to go to your apps. If you go now to the right arrow, that's to move through the items in the menu, or to go to the next intersection. If you press and hold it, it's going to take you to open area. The bottom arrow, if you double click it, is going to report the current status of the device. It's going to tell you the battery life, the time, and the date. If you long press the down arrow, it's going to take you to the system menu. The left arrow is for the different traveling modes and also moves you through the items in the menu. Moving down a bit more below the arrows, you have two more buttons, one on the left, one on the right. These two are different shapes. The button on the left is longer, and that is the Where Am I button. If you press and hold it, it's going to do a search. On the right side, you have a smaller button, and this is the only one that's a different color. And this is the voice button or the repeat button. On the side of the device, you have two buttons on the right side. On the top, you have your power button, and at the bottom, you have your record. Press it once, it will record a landmark. Press and hold, it will record a route. On the left side, you have your volume buttons, volume up and volume down. At the very bottom of the device, you have where you're going to charge, and then you have where you put your audio headset. How to turn the device on. First step is you have to press the power button. Press and hold. You're going to feel a vibration. And then the device takes about 30 seconds to maybe a minute to power on and to find a satellite. Sometimes when you're indoors, it has difficulties finding a satellite, so you might want to be outside when turning it on.
Welcome to Stellar Trek. Explore. Searching for satellites.
All right. And to power it off, you're going to press and hold that same button.
Press confirm to shut down. Press any other key to cancel.
So it's telling you how to do it. So if you want to shut it down, you're just going to press the confirm key. If you pressed it by mistake and you don't want to turn off the device, just press any other key.
Cancel.
And she canceled it. But we want to power it off, so we're going to press and hold.
Press confirm to shut down. Press any other key to cancel.
And we're going to confirm to shut it down. It should do like a little vibration, and then that means it's shut down. Key Describer is a great way for you to get to know the different functions of each of the buttons. So to get to the Key Describer, you're going to double click on the bottom left button. That's the longer button on the bottom left side. You double click it.
Key Describer on.
And she's going to say Key Describer on. And whatever button you press, she's going to tell you the primary and secondary functions of it. So if I press the button on the top left,
back, move back a level. Press and hold. Explore.
Right? She told me is to move back, and if I press and hold it, is to explore. If I press the up arrow,
Enter map browsing mode. When available, move up in the context menu options. Press and hold. Open the applications menu. Double press. Send logs to Humanware.
so the up arrow has 3 functions, and it went through how to get through each of the 3 functions. So any button that you press during this mode, it will tell you all of its functions and how to reach it, if it's a long press, double press, or just a single press. And to get out of the key describer mode, you're going to double press again on the long button on the bottom left.
Key describer off.
And she will say key describer off, and it's back to functioning normally. So now we're going to record a landmark. To record a landmark, you have to press the record button. The record button is on the right side of the device. It's the second button. It's the one that
Enter
has
an address.
a tactile marker.
Explore.
So as soon as you press the button, you're gonna hear a beep. That's for you to make your recording. You have 4 seconds to make your recording. So I'm pressing the button.
Record landmark.
House number 1.
Landmark recorded.
House number 1. House number 1. So now we're going to go to a landmark. So to select a landmark, you're going to press the Go To button.
Select a landmark as your destination. 2 landmarks.
House number 1.
West Palm Beach, Florida.
Tennis court.
West Palm Beach, Florida. Press pedestrian guidance. 2.
Tennis court.
Route length 379 feet. Remaining time 2 minutes. Please head east towards Saratoga Road, crossing Saratoga Bay Road with stop sign. Destination in 382 feet.
Okay, so she's going to tell you which way to go and how far away you are from your landmark. And she'll start guiding you once you start walking. All right, so the GPS has told me that we have arrived. I'm about 100 feet or so from where I made the landmark for the tennis court. And this is why we always emphasize that the user that wants to have a GPS, they have to have very good orientation and mobility skills, because these GPS, they most of the time they bring you to the general area, but not straight to where you want to go. So this is where your orientation skills come in handy, so that you can be able to reach your final destination with the assistance of the GPS. So now we're going to record a route. To record a route, we are going to press the same record button, but we're going to press and hold until the GPS prompts us.
Press confirm to start creating a new route. Record route name.
To the pool.
Route name recorded. Begin walking.
Okay.
Route creation is in progress.
Once she tells you that, then you start walking to your final point in the route. So when you're done with recording your route, you're going to press and hold the record button.
Route recording resumed. Press confirm to stop route.
You press confirm. To the pool.
Has been created successfully. Let in open area. Explore.
And you've created your route. Now to access your route, you're going to press your Go To button. You press and hold.
Route selection. 1 route.
To the pool.
Press confirm to be guided in forward direction.
And you press confirm to be guided towards it.
Active route. Please head east destination in 1 feet. Let in open area. You have reached your destination.
And it told me I have reached my destination.
Press and hold the up arrow key and navigate to address confirmation. Explore.
Okay. Now you can reverse the route. So to reverse it, you can press the Go To button.
Route selection. One route.
To the pool.
Press confirm to be guided in forward direction.
So if you press the up arrow,
Delete route. Rename route. Start route in reverse direction.
she's going to say start route in
Press
reverse
confirm to be guided
direction.
in reverse direction.
Press confirm.
Active route. Please head south towards Saratoga Road.
And now it's
Next
taking me
instruction in
back
41 feet.
the
Turn it left
same
and clock
way.
next instruction in 52 feet.
And it's giving me instructions how to get to where I started. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the applications and how to access the applications. So to get to your applications, you're going to press and hold the up arrow.
Applications. Pedestrian crossing and traffic signal detection. Address confirmation. Quick reading.
We're going to start with quick
Press
reading.
confirm to open quick reading app. Camera ready.
I press
No GPS
confirm,
coverage.
and now it's opening the app. Okay, so now I have what I wanted to read in front of me. I'm just going to place the device.
Library of Library Events. October 2025. Mandel Public Library of West Palm Beach Library Events. October 2025.
And it read to me
Volume
what
entry.
it said
Volume
on the
VCR.
cover.
Sac. Microphone. Left. Wall. Speaker. Straight. To turn the device on, pressing the device will yell.
And now to get out of this, you're going to press your back button.
Applications. Quick reading.
And now you're back to your
Press confirm
applications
to open quick
menu.
reading app.
So the next application we're going to test out, we're going to go to the barcode.
Detailed reading. Color detection. Barcode scanning.
Right? So
Press
to
confirm to open barcode
you
scanning
press
app.
confirm.
Camera ready.
You grab your can or your item and you start rotating it. Now what I've noticed is that it's a little bit slower compared to other apps that we use.
Barcode selection. One product found. Chicken with rice soup. Press confirm to have more details.
And if I want to learn more about the item, press
Product
confirm.
details. Name, chicken with rice soup. Brands, Cambaless. Ingredients, chicken stock, rice, chicken meat, carrots, contains less than 2% of salt, chicken fat, celery, water, monosodium glutamate, modified food starch, sugar, maltodextrin, onions, vegetable oil, yeast extract, cornstarch, flavoring, chicken broth asterisk, beta-carotene for color, cane sugar, soy protein isolate, sodium phosphate, onions asterisk, natural flavoring, soybean oil, soy lecithin, chicken asterisk, asterisk dehydrated may contain traces of wheat.
Okay.
Allergens, N, celery. Name, chicken with rice soup.
And then that's all the information it has for us. So to get out, you will press the back button.
Barcode selection, one product found. Chicken with rice soup.
And then to go back for it to scan for another item, you will press back one more time.
Camera ready.
And she will say camera ready. So it's ready for the next item. We're going to do another item. So it's doing a little bit of a beep.
Barcode selection, one product found. Dark red kidney beans. Press confirm to have more details.
And that's indeed what we have, dark red kidney beans. We want to hear more details. I'm going to press the confirm.
Product details. Name, dark red kidney beans.
All right, you press the right arrow to hear more.
Brands, Dakota S. Pride, Aldi.
If you press the right arrow again, it might tell you some more.
Quantity, 15.5 ounces.
Okay, right arrow again.
Name, dark red kidney beans.
And that's all it has for us.
Barcode selection, one product found.
So you will
Dark red
press
kidney
the back
beans.
arrow to get back.
Press confirm to have more details. Camera ready.
Then you're back to the camera, and to get out of this application, you press the back arrow again.
Applications.
And you're back in
Barcode scanning.
applications.
Press confirm to open barcode scanning app.
And to get out of the applications menu, you press the back arrow one more time and you're back in Explore.
Explore.
So we're going to test out one of the applications, the one that detects crosswalks. So to go to applications, you're going to press and hold the up arrow.
Applications.
You hear her
Pedestrian
say?
crossing and traffic signal detection.
Okay, that's the first application
Press
on the
camera
list.
open pedestrian crossing and traffic signal detection app.
You're going to press confirm.
Camera ready. Point upward.
And she's telling me to point upward. Once you hear the little sounds that sounds like drum beats, that means it's detecting the crosswalk in the direction that you're pointing the device at.